Well, there you have it, folks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Mom Company, a place where we discuss everything mom likes. This is Danielle reporting live from the future because I'm editing the Decorate With Me video and I forgot to film an intro. So I'm filming an intro, and I also wanted to drop in and say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. I really, really appreciate it. Today we're going to be decorating the Christmas tree. We usually have 2 trees, and we usually I usually decorate the house and just go semi all out, but this year's, feeling a little different. So I just really wanted to get a tree up and do some light decorating, like very light, you're going to see, because it just feels different this year. So yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with us during this journey. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what kind of decorations you're putting out this year. Are you going all out, or are you just playing it low key? Let me know in the comments. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and before we continue on, business first, go ahead and pause this video and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss an upload from me. And also make sure you're following me on my other socials, Instagram and Facebook @_the Mom Company. And I think that's it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Right now, we are fluffing the branches. You know what it means to fluff them? Mm-hmm. What does it mean? Straight, yeah. Not stretch, but like spread them out. Yep, make them straight. Those are straight already, Ma. Look, let me show you how. You see this? Look, you see that's bent? I want to make it straight. Okay. Make sure everything is straight. You can go lower, because we already did the top. So we start down here. All right. Jace, do you be fluffing the tree the right way? Yeah. You do? Those are already done. And you're in the way of the camera. So you gotta come behind London.
Peoples.
Send us to all the people.
You said what?
Send it to all the people.
Yeah, I will pay you. I never make a YouTube video. You're being weird looking at the camera like, what are you doing?
Look, your face is different. Look, we have a different brother.
Yes. Go ahead.
And if you guys didn't know, I have.
Hello, my name is.
Hello, my name is Jace, and if you didn't know, I have a YouTube channel myself, focused on crafting, gaming, lifestyle, and just what I do out during the day. So if you want to check that out, the link is going to be in the description.
Mm-hmm. Well, there you have it, folks. Okay, so Jace's idea is to have all of the plugs from the different sections lined up and coming straight down, so it's easier to plug into the back of the wall. That was Jace's idea. He said he wanted the tree to have a part, but I don't want my tree to have a side part. But we're just gonna
But the thing is, the plug is also going to be hidden, so it's going to be out of the way.
Okay.
Basically out of sight.
So we're gonna twist it a little bit. Watch your feet, Mom. Jay, spread the bottom out, please.
Oh, yeah, I know something. Bottom spreading. Beep, beep, beep.
No, London. It's not time. Jeez. It's not time. Can you wait? Yeah? Can you wait a minute? I'll let you know when the press go, sis.
She's over.
Alright, so where's the plug that you found, London, that's on top? Because we have to line it up.
Right here.
Right here. So. Yeah, but I gotta make sure I got the.
Oh, that's for the
top. Yep. So now we fluff this part.
Hey guys, it's like 2 days later from when you guys last saw the kids and I starting to put together the Christmas tree. Here I have some bulbs that are out. This is a pre-lit tree that's about 4 years old. So yeah, they were out last year and my husband somehow convinced me to just let it rock with the missing bulbs. But this year I didn't want to do it. So I ordered some bulbs off of Amazon, like replacement bulbs, and they didn't work out. And I'm already tired of like the back and forth. So what I'm going to do is, last year we had 2 Christmas trees, and this year I don't feel like having 2 Christmas trees. So the lights that I would put on my other Christmas tree, I'm just gonna wrap around the Christmas tree all the way up. So it's gonna be a mixture of like soft and white lights, which I'm not too fond of. However, I don't feel like going to the store, and I've already tried to replace them to replace the bulbs that are missing with the replacement bulbs, and it didn't work. So I quit. I'm tired. And I'm going to just use what I have. So yeah, figured I'd just bring you guys along with me. Oh yeah, I asked the kids if they wanted to help me and they declined. So I'm by myself. No one wants to help me. I'm all alone with no one here beside me.
I have nothing else to do.
Oh yeah?
No, London's up there kicking my Chromebook down.
So Jace went to go get a step stool for me, but I have these little picks I want to show you guys that I got last year, I think from Hobby Lobby. They're like acorn picks. I use them in arrangements, but I'm not going to do too many arrangements this year, so I'm thinking about sticking them in the tree, or maybe utilizing like these lanterns at the bottom of the tree. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it, but I have these little branches that have little icicles on them. I don't know if you can see that. They have little like ice cubes on them to be like snow or ice on a branch, Winter Wonderland-ish. I think that kind of looks okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it looks good too.
So I mixed these lights, the white lights and the yellow, the warm lights, in together because, girl, we got an outage. So I'm thinking about putting some more at the bottom. I've got another strip, small strip I have. So I'm gonna tie these in there.
Mommy, I think it's better when you plug it in first and then you do it.
It makes me dizzy. It don't make you dizzy?
Mm-mm. So we don't have to like find the cord and stuff.
Is there there's one for this one, for that one?
So
No.
you can actually
Okay. Plug it in the back of there.
yeah, so you can keep plugging it into that.
Go ahead. I just want them on the bottom. Yeah, I also got, last year was a big Christmas decor shopping year. So I'm basically reusing everything that I have from last year. I have these little pearl like ball thingies. Some of them are champagne, some of them are gold, and some of them are like an off-white ivory color. So I have a few of those. I'm gonna stick those in the tree. So 2 years ago, I got this box from Michael's. This is a Christmas ornament, 240 piece ornament set. So that's what I'm going to use. I don't want to do gold this year. I did gold last year. So this year I think I'm going to just do like this rose color, this pink, this silver, this pewter. I might add a little bit of black into it if I can find some inexpensive black ornaments. And we're gonna incorporate like some woodsy items, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. This is 240 pieces, and I got, oh, I almost died. It's 240 pieces, and I got it on sale. Did I have a coupon? I don't know, but it was on stupid clearance, like $5. I paid $5 at Michael's. And it was during the holidays. I got this. That was during my couponing days when I was always on the hunt for like some kind of deal. So I was missing a Christmas box, and we went up to the attic and found it. It has the hangers in it. It has the blue ornaments that I'm not going to use. So I'm just going to use the black. Remember I said I wanted to add some black. And then there's a little bit more acorn. Purchased this tree skirt. Oh, it's like a fur coat. I got it from TJ Maxx. Is it TJ Maxx or Home Goods? One of them last year, and I bought 2 of them because I had 2 trees. So yeah, it's so plush. Look at that. Oh my god! Oh my god!
And we have another Christmas tree.
What? Okay guys, this is what we have so far. I may or may not go buy some more decorations, not for the tree, but for the fireplace, the mantle. But yeah, this is our Christmas tree. The colors are brown, black, and a little bit of like rose gold or like a pink color, a faint pink champagne color. So that's what we have going on. I love how my favorite part is the acorns. And I just stick them in here. This is a pick. You guys saw that earlier. And then I stick the acorns like further back, the single ones, to give the tree some dimension. Yeah. That way I don't have to use as many decorations, because this year I just don't feel like using so many. And I think it looks beautiful just like this. You guys didn't see this, but I repurposed my pampas grass that I got before the fall started and made it into like a little moment over here. I probably will place like a candle right there. But yeah, that's that. That's Slim. She's having a baby. I know you see it. You see it right there. She's gonna stay right there. She loves the window, so we're gonna leave her there. This is the fireplace. Of course, my ring lights won't be there, and I need to clean up these wires over here. But so far, this is what I have. I put the sticks in the little lantern container, and I bought these, I think last year from Target. They were like crazy clearance at the end of the season, so I scooped those up. And then I got this little tree and then that little tree from Home Goods at the end of the season as well. I think they were probably like $4 each. And that's pretty much it so far. I kind of want to do something across the mantle. However, our mantle is not wide enough. You see, and we have the sound bar up there, so these are normally not up here. We had some water while we were decorating, so the coasters won't be there. But I want to put like a wreath or like a, what do you call it? A garland? A wreath garland? I don't know. Of some sort across the top where we'll hang our stockings, which I have yet to get. So we're slowly coming together here. I think this will be the only area that I decorate in the house for Christmas because that's just how I'm feeling this year. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys before I ended the video. Let me know if you like it in the comments down below. Oh, you see my tree skirt? That purple thing is actually like a table runner that a friend got for me 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. Yeah. She bought it for me because last year my colors were supposed to be like cranberry. I never made it to cranberry, so I'm just going to use that underneath the tree to add a little bit of, you know, a little something special. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.